So these are real-time dashboards showing what's happened in the last few seconds. We've also put together dashboards showing more detailed item movements. Here's a breakdown of delivery and dispatch by product code with a time breakdown of arrival and departure. Here we're using a Sankey diagram to show the flow of product. More readers in your facility would give you more detail of how and where items are moving around that facility. And again, a timeline of data is provided so we can start to drill into more detail if required. Finally, you might want to know the location of a specific item. So by entering the item code, we can quickly provide the current and the previous location and maybe drill down into that item's journey. You might also want to know the location of all of your current stock of a particular brand. And now the data is sitting in Splunk, we can also tell you that immediately. Let me walk you through the configuration here. We need the app from Splunk Base, which is the Impinj IOT connector for Splunk. You'll find details on there of the Impinj IoT connector for Splunk and how to download, install and configure that. It's pretty straightforward. Once the app's installed, all the configuration takes place inside Splunk. So you add a new data source, and in the list you'll see a new option for the IoT connector for Splunk. We need to provide a unique name for the RFID reader, its IP address, and details of the port that the Splunk host will be listening on. Finally, we just define the name of the Splunk index into which the data is going to arrive. Once that's done, the data can start to arrive, and we can go into Splunk and start to search for that data and start to build reports and dashboards and alerts based on that. So let's just quickly look in the index that we defined. If we go and look at all time, and then if we go over and do a real-time feed, we can start to see data flowing in the last 30 seconds. And there you go, you can start to see those unique identifiers associated with each tag appearing on the reader and being pulled into the Splunk index. So I hope you found that interesting. Impinj and Splunk make a great combination. If you want more information, check out our website, drop us an email, or go and pull down the Impinj IoT connector from Splunk Base.